All right, boys, we got here a 1978 Ford F600 welding rig. We call it the big rig. Some people call it Big Flame, but we just got the motor redone. Whole front of the motor, timing chain, etc. Water pump, you guys know the deal. Plug wires, hoses, plugs. Wanted to share it to you because it's so smooth and tight. Smooth and tight. Alright, here we go. Beluga horn. Oh yeah. So smooth. Can't forget our boys out there on the West Coast. That right there, boys, is a 460. Super smooth. Truck power. Check out the rest of the truck real quick. Right here we got the Lincoln Blackface 200. Oh, almost forgot. Gotta take this old stinger out of the way.